Welcome to the channel, all my YouTube family and friends. Today we have an incredible recipe to share with you, done by my 3-year-old princess. It's our amazing pumpkin oatmeal raisin cookie.
Pumpkin cookie. Caribbean ducks.
Yes, it's Caribbean ducks. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're coming back to visit me, thank you for joining us. Let's get started. So for this recipe, we need 12 ounces of puree pumpkin. You can use fresh pumpkin as well, but we're using canned pumpkin today. And what we need to do is spoon the pumpkin onto some paper towel to extract some of the moisture out for the recipe. So baby girl is demonstrating here how to spread it out onto the paper towel so that we can extract all those moisture. And this is how we do it, guys. She's becoming a pro at this. So you guys pay attention how it's done. You want to take the back of a spoon and just spread it out onto a nice layer of tissue. So this is what we want to achieve. You want to get it into a nice even layer so we can get some of that moisture out. So we get started with 1 cup of room temperature butter that I chopped in little cubes. Reason for that is it's going to be able to work with easier to incorporate with the butter. So we're going with 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to mix and combine everything together. And baby girl is determined to do this all by herself. She doesn't want any help. So check out the level of concentration here. She is really working it. She has her own spatula. And there we are. We got it all mixed up. We're going to go on to the next step. Now we're going with a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 2/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. It all in again. That's right. Scoop it down and mix it well. Doing a good job, Mama. Tell us what you're making.
I'm making cookies.
Pumpkin cookies?
Pumpkin cookies.
Oh, it's gonna be yummy.
Pumpkin cookies, yes.
Put it.
Put it in a bowl of soap. Onto everything.
So now we're gonna continue to bring this together. We're gonna add our eggs in at this time, making sure that none of the shell gets in there.
It's cracked up in this.
And we're gonna mix again until everything is incorporated. Now we're going with our vanilla essence, a half a teaspoon. And it's time for our sorrel paste or sorrel puree that we just made. We're going to go in with 2 teaspoons of sorrel and mix it all together. Yes, it takes some muscles to get this well mixed. Mix, 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 mix.
You like doing it?
Keep it going. Now for our pumpkin. We extracted some of the moisture out of the pumpkin puree. Now it's time to separate it. Get it from off the tissue and into the mixing bowl. Scoop it all in. This is gonna be a delicious pre-Christmas cookie. Keep watching, folks, to see the end of this recipe.
Mix, mix, mix.
And then we mix all together again.
Ta-da! That's cool. You see it now?
It's coming all together. We're almost there. Now we go in with 1 cup of oatmeal. And we mix again. And now we're going with 1 cup of flour. And we continue to mix until everything is well blended. We're going with a half a cup more flour. And just like magic, we mix it all together. Check out this little hand mix in there. Takes a lot of muscle to get this done.
Good job.
In goes our raisin. This is a half a cup of raisin. Yes, guys, we're making oatmeal raisin pumpkin cookies.
Wow, look at go.
Look at you go.
Gluten is starting to set, so it's kind of getting tougher to turn.
So what are we making here?
Raisin.
Now we set our oven to 350. Get our parchment papers ready. Line our baking tray. And now we get our molds. These Christmas molds. And we're gonna try to get some Christmas cookie shapes. And we scoop it onto the mold. And we're gonna make some regular shaped cookie. Just spoon it right onto the baking tray. Uh-oh. Now we're getting ready to put this in the oven. Our preheated oven that's been set to 350. We ended up with 2 trays of cookies. We're gonna set our timer to 10 minutes. We'll be back to check on that. Now that we're all done, this is our delicious pumpkin oatmeal raisin cookies. Thank you for watching, folks. If you like our recipe, please remember to give us a thumbs up. If you're new, remember to subscribe and share this video. Ring that notification bell so you can get more videos like this. You guys have a blessed day. Enjoy the holiday. Merry Christmas. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.
Plate. So, I figured I'll stub my toe. Daddy, it's so cold.